Alright guys, check this out. So today I am going to be making this grilled vegetable organic ravioli, vegan. Check that out. This is on sale, product of Italy, which is pretty neat. So, and here's the nutrient panel if you guys want to read this. So it's durum wheat, with grilled eggplants, peppers, may contain tree nuts, eggs, contains wheat. But yeah, there's the nutrient panel. So we're gonna cook it up, and I'll be back to do a quick taste test. Here is the tortellini, all done. We're gonna do a quick. Whoops, I broke it. Or the ravioli. It is kind of brittle, and it does break and sticks a bit. So this is Rao's sauce here. So let's do a quick cut into it. As you can see, here's the filling, right there. And what I have in there also is ground turkey, so let's do it. Oh, it keeps falling off. There we go. You can definitely taste I think it's eggplant in there, so the filling's not bad for the tortellini. I mean, for the ravioli. It's pretty neutral in taste, not spicy, not really any herbs or anything that stand out. But with the tomato sauce, you probably don't notice it. And it tastes pretty good. Definitely check it out, guys. Any questions, post below.